matapang. So ngayon, eto ipanood natin sa inyo yung video kung saan talagang literal pong sinupalpal. Oo, ni Mig Zubiri itong si Alan Petra Cayetano. Ngayon, Alan Peter Cayetano, if the shoe fits, wear it. Geto na lang, ha? Panoodin natin 'to.
Majority Leader. Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, I move that we proceed with the election of the Senate President of the Philippines. So moved.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, the election of the Senate President is now in order.
Mr. President, I move to, if I may be able to be recognized to nominate our Senate President.
Yes, we recognize the Majority Leader.
Mr. President, I rise today to nominate Senate President Pro Tem Sherwin Gatchalian as the President of the Senate of the Philippines. Throughout his public service career as member of the House of Representatives, as Mayor of Valenzuela City, and as Senator, he has consistently proven his competence, his effective leadership, and his unparalleled work ethic. Siya nga po palagi ang nagsasara ng Senado, staying late in his office even after adjournment. As a matter of fact, Mr. President, I hear complaints from your staff that hindi na po sila nakakauwi ng dissenting oras dahil overwork daw sila, overwork. At palagi nilang tinatanong sa akin, kailan ko daw siya mahahanap ng girlfriend para makauwi daw ng mas maaga. Kaya Mr. President, ikaw nga po daw ang sinasabi nila nagsasara ng Senado na wala na pong staff, ikaw na lang po naiiwan.
Actually, totoo yan. May CCTV naman talaga. And nakita po namin, hindi naman nakita, may nagkwento sa amin na staff doon sa Senado na laging nauunang pumapasok si Gatchalian sa Senado at siya din yung late na umuuwi. Alam niyo yun mga minamahal, yung tipong siya yung naunang pumasok, tapos siya din yung late na umuwi kasi siya yung nagsasara. Kasi tahimik lang naman yun eh. Neutral kasi itong si Sherwin Gatchalian. Sobrang neutral nito, tahimik na tao. Parang ano lang, hindi siya maingay pero may gawa. 'Di ba? So, hindi naman sayang ang effort sa special session ngayon dyan sa Senado kung si Gatchalian ang maupong SP. Kasi para matigil na tong kaguluhang ginagawa ni Alan Peter Cayetano. 'Di ba? Para matigil na tong katarantaduan, itong kasamaan na ginagawa ni Alan Peter Cayetano para sampal na din sa kanya. At magsisimula na dito yung totoong kalbaryo ng Blue Ribbon Committee hearing sa pamamagitan ni Erwin Tulfo. Kasi 'di ba, nung Senate Pro Tempore, itong si Sherwin Gatchalian, inelect niya na, inilagay niya sa posisyon ng Blue Ribbon Committee itong si Erwin Tulfo. So, well, let's see kung mayroong mukhang ihaharap ang 18 Marines kasi sinasabi nila sa legit na Blue Ribbon Committee hearing lang daw sila darating. So ngayon dahil mayroon ng legit na chairman ng Blue Ribbon Committee hearing, eto na. Titingnan natin, we'll see. So by the way, continue tayo sa sinabi ni Mig Zubiri tungkol nga po dito sa panunupalpal niya kay Alan Petra Cayetano.
And that just shows your dedication, Mr. President, on how hardworking you are in preparing for the days ahead. He has ably led some of our most demanding and time-consuming and consequential committees, namely the Committee on Energy, the Committee on Economic Affairs, the Committee on Basic Education, and most notably, the Committee on Finance. As Finance Chair, he had navigated the very challenging period in the wake of flood control scams coming into light. But he led the Finance Committee with great resolve, spearheading unprecedented initiatives to ensure accountability and transparency in the national budget. I believe that this last budget, my dear colleagues, was one of the most transparent in recent history. As a matter of fact, whatever projects that we wanted to insert or amend into the budget, we had to come up with voluminous requirements and documents coming from the agencies themselves and the receiving bodies like the LGUs. And that was the request, not just the request. It was the demand of then Finance Chair Wing Gatchalian. He is the leader that the Senate needs in this time of division and disarray. And he has done this before. I know he'll be able to rise above the fray and lead us back to our principal function, which is to attend to the work of legislation. I have every...
And napansin nyo ba, nandyan si Joel Villanueva, oh. Nasa likod ni Mig Zubiri, si Joel Villanueva, umattend sa session, sa special session ngayon sa Senado. So, legit yung balita, 'di ba? Sabi ko sa inyo, according to our A1 sources, tatawid itong si itong si Joel Villanueva dito nga po sa Gatchalian Block. So continue tayo.
Confidence of the Senate President, he'll be able to set the institution back on the right path guided by the highest standards of service, integrity, and morality. To my colleagues, I plead.
Grabe, sampal yun, no, kay Cayetano. Highest morality with integrity. Kasi si Cayetano walang ganun eh. Yung morality, integrity, walang ganun si Cayetano.
Right path, guided by the highest standards of service, integrity, and morality. To my colleagues, I plead, let us elect Senate President Gatchalian and let us get back to our work in this hallowed institution. Maraming salamat po, Mr. President. And maybe we don't need to put it to a vote, Mr. President. Maybe we can do it by acclamation, Mr. President. Ayes and nays would be fine. I so move, Mr. President.
So, although,
There are no other nominees for Senate President. I move to close the period of nomination.
any objection? Hearing none, the nominations are closed.
Therefore, Mr. President, we'd like to
Therefore-
congratulate.
As you said, for,
Yes.
to vote
Ayes and nays.
as acclamation. All those in favor of Senator Sherwin Gatchalian as Senate President of the Republic of the Philippines, say aye. Aye. All
Grabe.
those against, say nay.
Naiiyak ako, mga minamahal. Naiiyak ako. Parang God saves the Philippines. Ganun yung nangyari. Kasi sakto sila, oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Umattend si Joel Villanueva. Joel, thank you. Thank you. Diba? Thank you. Dahil umattend ka sa special session today ngayon sa Senado, and Marcoleta and also Petra Cayetano now today are crying. Thank you, Lord. Lord, God save the Philippines. Ganun yung nangyari, mga minamahal. So okay, continue pa tayo sa panonood ng kanilang eleksyon sa special session noong pag-elect ng panibagong Senate President. Thanks, Joel Villanueva. We are so proud of you. And to our new elect Senate President Sherwin Gatchalian, we are so lucky to have you. And napakalaking warm, great welcome sa all of the Filipino people except sa mga DDS.
The ayes have it. Senator Sherwin Gatchalian is declared Senate President of the Republic of the Philippines. May we ask Senator Gatchalian to, before that, Senator Francis Pangilinan is recognized.
Yes, just for the record that the vote, having a quorum, is unanimous, Mr. President, for the record.
Thank you. We place that on record. May we ask Senator Sherwin Gatchalian to ascend to the rostrum to take his oath as Senate President.
Sino mong bibigyan ng
Ang galing
For the record, Mr. President.
Sa ilaw.
Yan. May mga kasama ka.
Meron, Idol.
Di ba, mga minamahal? So ngayon, Alan Peter Cayetano and also Marcoleta is now crying. Who will be the chairman of Blue Ribbon Committee? I think Erwin Tulfo. Kasi nung Senate President pro tempore, itong si Sherwin Gatchalian, hindi kasi kinikilala ng mga DDS yung Blue Ribbon, yung pag-appoint kay Erwin Tulfo as a chairperson ng Senate Blue Ribbon Committee kasi 12 nga lang daw, mga minamahal, itong Gatchalian Black. So, ina-expect pa din ng mga kasama ni Cayetano na sila pa din ang legit even they are outnumbered. Ngayon, dahil nga naging totoo na legality, actually legal naman yung quorum ng June 3, pero mas ginawa pang mas pinaligal kasi may numbers na. Mas ginawang pinaligal itong itong araw na to para laking sampal kay Cayetano kasi si Cayetano nag-concede na din siya sumuko na din, mga minamahal, itong si Cayetano sa totoo lang. 'Di ba? Parang naabugbog-aber na ngayon si Cayetano. Kasi ito nga, may balita nga ako sa inyo, 'di ba, kanina, sa mga nanonood dyan, no? Oh. Senator Alan Peter Cayetano concede as the Senate President. Bakit siya nag-concede? Kasi alam niya na may numbers ngayon. 'Di ba? Sabi niya pa nga din kahapon, kunin na daw ang lahat sa kanila, wag lang yung Blue Ribbon Committee hearing. Paano 'yan? Wala na sa'yo yung chairmanship ng hindi ka na Senate President. So, yung Blue Ribbon Committee, hindi na yan sa'yo mapupunta. Hindi nga dumalo dun si Alan Peter Cayetano eh. Kasi kung dumalo siya, siya lang yung katangi-tanging tao na mag-a-against. Di ba mga minamahal? Anyway, continue tayo.
Sila
So, dapat mix at saka si Cheese. I will request Senator Escudero to please join us. Dito sila native ko. Pamilya mo sa litse ko.
Mga ex, dito family. Di ba daw dito kayo? Dito kayo dalawa. Yung may family.
Oh, baka mag-live selling. Baka mag-live selling na nito si Cayetano, ha?
First, bachelor senator.
Yun iba pretending.
Oh, mami mo din sana.
Diyan na. Pwesto na.
Yeah, kumpleto na.
Okay. Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your name.
I, Sherwin Gatchalian,
Having been elected to the position of Senate President,
having been elected to the position of Senate President,
do hereby solemnly swear
do hereby solemnly swear
that I will well and faithfully discharge
that I will well and faithfully discharge
to the best of my ability
to the best of my ability
the duties of my present position
the duties of my present position
and of all others I may hereafter hold
and of all others I may hereafter hold
under the Republic of the Philippines,
under the Republic of the Philippines,
that I will support and defend
that I will support and defend
the Constitution of the Philippines,
the Constitution of the Philippines,
that I will obey the laws, legal orders, and decrees
that I will obey the laws, legal orders, and decrees
promulgated by the duly constituted authorities,
promulgated by the duly constituted authorities,
and maintain true faith and allegiance
and maintain true faith and allegiance
to the Republic of the
to
Philippines,
the Republic of the Philippines,
and that I impose this obligation upon myself
And that-
voluntarily,
and that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily,
without mental reservation
without mental reservation
or purpose of evasion.
or purpose of evasion.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Diba? So, mga minamahal, nakahinga din tayo. Sobrang laking congratulations dito nga po sa ating newly elected na Senate President na si Sherwin Gatchalian bilang Senate President ng Bansang Pilipinas. Kaya nga, hindi na sa atin bago yung nauna pa kasi, sa totoo lang naunang mag-concede itong si Alan Peter Cayetano. Yung tipong ibibigay mo din naman pala, pinahirapan mo pa. Di ba nagigets niyo ako mga minamahal? Ibibigay mo rin naman pala ang posisyon ng pagiging Senate President. Pinahirapan mo pa itong si Sherwin Gatchalian, nagkadamay-damay na yung mamamayang Pilipino, ang dami ng nadamay na mga bills na dapat ipapasa, yung mga trabaho na dapat ipapasa. Di ba mga minamahal? So, magkukonsid ka din naman pala. So, bakit kailangan mo pa kaming pahirapan? Bakit pa kailangan mo kaming idamay? Kaming mamamayang Pilipino. Diba gets ninyo mga minamahal? Magkukonsid ka lang rin naman pala. Dinamay mo pa kami. O ngayon, yung naranasan mong ito, malaki tong sampal sa'yo. Diba sobrang laking sampal? Sa tingin mo, mag-online selling ka pa ngayon? Ha? Sa tingin mo, mag-online selling ka pa ngayon? May magagawa ka pa ba sa impeachment ni Vice President Sara Duterte? Wala. Wala ka nang magagawa. Sa impeachment ni VP Sara Duterte, hindi mo na siya kaya ipagtanggol dahil yung na-elect ngayon is neutral. Petra just waited 1 month to be her SB. Si Cayetano gagawa. Baliw yan. Mga minamahal, bear with me. Baliw yan si Cayetano. Gagawin niya lahat ng way. Gagawin niya lahat ng pamamaraan. Masira lang. itong si Sherwin Gatchalian, manggugulo lang yan. Si Cayetano, sige, promise mga minamahal, manggugulo lang yan si Cayetano sa mangyayaring 18 Marines, 18 ex-Marines hearings or sa Maleta Boys, sa Blue Ribbon Committee. Manggugulo lang yun sila dun. Yung kahit hindi sila tawag dito, hindi na sila member, sila pa din yung leading question. Ganoon, kumbaga, ayaw yung tipong nag-resign na, nag-consider si Cayetano pero hindi niya matanggap kaya gagawa siya ng distraction. Di ba mga minamahal, gagawa ng distraction itong si Alan Peter Cayetano kasi parang hindi siya nabigyan ng justice sa ginawa niya ni Joel Villanueva. Parang feeling ko mukhang ang gagawin ni Cayetano, gaganti siya kay Joel Villanueva. Sa totoo lang, mga minamahal, mukhang gaganti itong itong si Alan Peter Cayetano dito kay Joel Villanueva. Ngayon, meron ako sa inyong ipapanood, mga minamahal.